water. It's essential to life and one of our most precious natural resources.
Water is the only utility that people actually ingest into their bodies. So it doesn't get a whole lot more personal than that.
Water is about the most reliable utility that you have, and it is the one, if you think about your day-to-day life, that would be the hardest to do without.
Chores, washing dishes, washing our clothes, watering the lawn. It's used in businesses every day to help them manufacture their goods.
It provides for fire protection, so there's public safety aspect to it, and it provides for entertainment and recreation.
At Illinois American Water, we care about water. It's what we do.
We have a significant reach within the state of Illinois, all the way from South Beloit down to Cairo and significant customer groups in between.
Illinois American Water has a tremendous footprint. In the Chicago area, we provide not only water service, but also wastewater service.
It's all about good customer service. That's where it starts at.
We're always looking to improve, always looking for ways to make the product better.
We're focused on water. It's the one and only thing that we do.
In Illinois, we've been doing that for more than a century. From Pump Station 1 in Peoria, home of the Illinois Historical Water Museum, to breaking ground on a new state-of-the-art ultraviolet technology facility next door. In 2008, we unveiled the first LEED-certified water treatment plant in the state in Champaign County.
It's a true investment in not only in American Water, but in the community as well. By the building of this plant, it gives us the opportunity to provide the water necessary for our customers for years to come.
We're proud to be part of a private water company, and we're proud to be the first in the state at things.
As the largest investor-owned water utility in Illinois, we strive to be the best at what we do.
We are investing in the range of about $60 to $70 million annually just in Illinois. So that's a pretty substantial amount of investment.
We work very closely with the communities to make sure that we meet their needs.
We're constantly in the process of building storage facilities as necessary.
We have a small main replacement program, and that helps us to continue to provide water service with adequate pressure for fire service, for residents, for businesses.
The growth of the community relies on having that investment so that businesses can be attracted, so that growth can continue, and so that the community is vibrant. And without that investment, communities will start to fade.
As water experts, we help set the standard for water quality.
We consistently are at the top of the water utilities in the country in terms of our level of meeting and exceeding the regulatory standards, and that's something we're very proud of.
You're always thinking that as that water leaves the plant, it's going out to those customers.
We have tours down here. People are just amazed how this operates.
Our water operators are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they are continuously coming into the laboratory and performing tests as well on the water.
Protecting our water supply and the environment is our top priority. Throughout the year, we promote river sweep cleanups, plant native prairie grasses, and award grants to local environmental projects. And we were one of the first water utilities in the country to set up pharmaceutical drop boxes at local police departments to keep unwanted medications out of our water supply and out of the hands of young children.
It's very important to us. We want to be good stewards of the land. We want to do the right thing.
I think our customers really expect and have a right to expect us to be industry leaders. They can be confident that we're their expert and we're looking out for their best interest.
We take the lead on many issues affecting our industry. We have lead roles when it comes to working with various business groups, Illinois Chamber of Commerce, Illinois manufacturers.
We also take the lead on education by sponsoring outreach programs like STEM education across the state and the Peoria Clean Water Celebration.
It's very important to get to kids young and let them understand the value of water and let them know why environmental stewardship is so important.
And since we know how critical water is to our customers' lives, our H2O Help to Others program provides financial assistance through the Salvation Army. We also award grants to our local fire districts to help make our communities safer.
We're a great community partner for community outreach. We donate a lot to the communities that we're in.
Our employees are part of the community. They are Little League coaches. They are Rotary members. They do all the things in the community that all of the customers do.
We're part of the community, too.
You know, we're not just an entity that's out there.
At Illinois American Water, our employees are our greatest asset. We offer competitive pay and benefits, extensive training and certification assistance, and a generous tuition reimbursement plan.
I love working for Illinois American Water Company. So many of us have, 20, 25, 30 years in.
This summer will be 32.
19. 25 last September.
Well, you're always learning something new every day.
We're almost like an extended family. Everybody brings a little bit of something different to the table as far as abilities.
Every employee at our company takes pride in what they do. They're proud to work for the company.
As a company, we're also proud of our award-winning safety record.
We're being recognized continuously for not having accidents on the job, for our employees following OSHA regulations.
Our Caro District was recently awarded the American Water Works Association Wendell R. Ledoux Utility Safety Award. Our Pontiac District was also recognized nationally a few years ago as well. The bottom line is we want our employees to come here in the morning every day and go to work, to go home to their families, and in the same way they came.
Illinois is also home to 2 national American Water facilities, the Alton Customer Service Center and the nationally recognized American Water Central Lab in Belleville.
Being part of a large company that's in 25 to 30 states, we have resources available that we can bring in from all over the country.
We make our decisions here locally, but we have that knowledge base to go to when there's a question.
As an investor-owned utility, we're held to a higher standard that benefits our customers.
We are regulated by the Illinois Commerce Commission, and our rates are set in a 11-month process with the commission. The end result of the process is to ensure that the rates charged to our customers are just and reasonable.
Unlike municipal rates, which are subsidized through other taxes or fees, American Water, our rates reflect all the costs that go into providing high-quality service.
The service we provide is to take that water from the source and treat it and deliver it to their home, reliably, high quality, for their use. And so that's what they're paying for.
Water is an extraordinary value for what people get. You think about going to the grocery store or to a convenience store, how much you pay for an 8-ounce bottle of water or a gallon of water. It's just many, many times what we charge.
As water experts, it's also our job to protect this critical resource.
The EPA has been estimating that we have in the range of $300 to $400 billion in infrastructure gaps in the United States in the water area. And if you add wastewater, it's much higher than that.
Illinois is no different. Probably a $20 to $30 billion shortfall in Illinois for water and wastewater.
Pipes, pumps, meters, they have a shelf life, and they have to be replaced.
A lot of our infrastructure right now is approaching 100 years old, and that's pretty old for an iron pipe that's in the ground. Corrosion and wear and tear take a toll on these things.
Most of these facilities are underground. All your water main is underground. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind. And so people don't realize that there's a gap or a problem until things start to break.
We don't take anything for granted. We want to make sure that we have the availability of this resource and that we have it available at a reasonable price.
We're proud to be your local water company, and we're proud to live and work among the customers we serve.
The customer's always there in the forefront.
I love that part of my job, providing just the personal contact.
You feel like you're really making a difference. You're providing something that's vital.
I'm the face that they see, so if they've had an issue, I do my best to resolve it. And hopefully they, when I leave, they're satisfied and have a good feeling.
Exceptional value, world-class customer service, and a commitment to protect this precious, life-giving resource for generations to come. At Illinois American Water, we care about water. It's what we do.
We just have a lot of very, very loyal, very satisfied customers, and we want to continue to live up to their expectations for the future, and so they feel that they will always be able to depend on American Water and Illinois American Water to be their provider of choice.